Start recording. Oh my gosh, there's a recording in the morning? It is February 23rd, Monday. Uh, I usually do the recordings when I get back or usually later in the day, but I just needed to do this now rather than later. Because no trade. Missed trade, yeah. Missed trade in that aspect. But it wasn't there was a reason for me to miss it. Okay, so coming into market open, sitting like here. And so where's my if thins? Bingo, I'm like, we're in four different EQs. So if you see, we're in EQ from there to there, to there. We're in EQ from there to there, and there. We're in EQ from there to there, and there. We're in EQ from there to there, and there. And so I'm like, okay, this is going to be a little bit dicey. And so I'm like, shorts look better here just because, okay, we swept the external high. Uh, So now I want to see us lower. Boom, I'm leaning more towards shorts, but I want to see confirmation. If we push up and open, I want to sweep London. Liquidity, London, and reverse. If we sell it open, I'm looking for confirmation before I take shorts. If we get closure above London, I wait to see more structure. Boom. Where are we now? Let me mark that back out. We pushed up and open, swept out London right here. Mingo. Saw us push up, push down, take that low. Okay, we took that low. I want to see us take the high. Boom, took the high. Boom, started staircasing down. And I'm like, okay, if I like shorts, like I have to believe this is the manipulation uh candle of it all. Because there's that's not we're not holding something. This isn't the failure swing of something. This is discount and this is a sweep. So I need to see manipulation for me to get in. Does this look like manipulation? Definitely not traditional manipulation. So I see this candle down, 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 push up, push up. I'm like, okay, closure above here, order block longs to put in manipulation, then to rip it down. And then I saw this candle start to print, 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 wick to CISD, and I'm like, man, if I'm looking at where my low hanging fruit targets are, like entering here, stop would probably be above there, or probably could low-key make it above first was in because I don't want to see us traded back through that. I mean, that's a 1 to 3, like right off the bat. And so I'm like, that's really good. Just this like the question to take a trade or not is based on if this is Manny. I don't really see this as Manny, TBH. And so you can see my thought process and the trade discretion of liquidity sweep, Manny, not really manipulation, discount, turtle soup, right there holding that. That's the confluence. Boom, change in the state right there. Boom. Entry model. I have the liquidity sweep. I have discount. What do I not have? Manipulation. No trade. But if I switch to ES, it's so clean. Oh my goodness. It's so clean. Oh my goodness. How often does this really happen? Not that often. Where ES will put in the manipulation leg where NQ doesn't. Granted, it does happen, but not enough for me to have ES up on the chart. Uh, but this is literally the definition of manipulation. Boom, put in a high. Okay, we're still connected in QES. Boom, push right down, hold this order block. Okay, boom, push it up to take out people who went short here, trying to catch a top. But then we slam down. So you can even see I literally had that marked out. I had the trading panel open with sell uh, for everything. Why did that just? Why does it keep breaking? Oh, wait, that's just a giant volume imbalance. But I'm not mad. The reason why I missed trade is because I didn't see manipulation in here. And that was my one reason for staying out. And ES put in the manipulation leg, and everything else didn't, or an NQ didn't. So no trade for me. Uh, it was great to see my from the 15-minute standpoint. Like, okay, we're an EQ of EQ of EQ. A lot of people, it's kind of a hands-off area till we sweep something. Okay, we swept something. Okay, I waited for my model because I could have, FOMO'd shorts here. Oh, this when this wicks down, change the state. I didn't see that as I don't see that as manipulation. So actually, you know what? Standard deviation. Yep, there. Nah. But even at that to that aspect, uh, I don't I don't hate missing these. Uh, Granted, there's going to be a trade somewhere else. I mean, is that manipulation? Is that a change in the state? Boom. Is that the manipulation? Boom. Push up. Change in the state to rebalance this. Oh, and we've already rebalanced it. Cool. I mean, that was a possible trade right there that I missed by explaining everything else. But damn, is that actually going to play out? Ah, this always happens too when I'm explaining stuff. Is that I see stuff like this. Uh, mm, so now where are we? We are in EQ of that. We pushed up, swept the high, boom, took the low. Not really the low, but the low that put in that high session liquidity. So then now we're either stopping at EQ, which looked like there for a second, but now looks like we're kind of pushing up higher. Honestly, holding below that changing the state is probably gonna be the biggest thing for me. But I mean, other than that, I really like taking one trade and being done, right? Uh, Especially with how my timings work. How many get off a 10? Most of the time, I take that trade, boom, and I'm gone, right? I go to the bathroom, do some other stuff for practice, and then I'm done. But when I have more time, I have more time to come up with that one good trade. But this having entry at 940, that's 939, 940 candleish. Damn, that's a huge candle. 60, 67 points. All in that, which is kind of crazy. But I mean, literally, it was to the T what I had, uh, kind of written up. I wanted to see us take the liquidity at open or close lower immediately. Okay, boom, we took some liquidity. Was looking for manipulation in this. That's the one thing I didn't see, and so no trade for me there. Uh, and now we have that big dump. We've had a 100-point candle basically. So now this could be a little bit more dicey than normal, but I mean I see this is soup. I see us just kind of hitting down. I think I do like shorts here because this is uh an EQ. I like this. That's just a confluence. I need confirmation, and really that's just getting closure down here. For real, the big change in the state is at the bottom of this candle, but if you're turtle soup changing the state like I am, if you're entering here, you're stopping up. That doesn't make a lot of sense. That's a huge stop. But uh but yeah, I think I've got to go in a couple minutes, so I got to get ready for that. But maybe I'll do another like backtesting video tonight. I feel like I spend too much of my time doing non-productive stuff, which kind of is fun to take my mind off of stuff, but I need to do other stuff. I need to get better at this, so I don't have to do some of that other stuff. Man, I'm tired. I went to bed way too late last night, but that's enough yapping for today. I will see y'all over there today, maybe tomorrow. Who knows? But see ya.